Hey guys, Joe Berardi here with Digital Wood Products. I want to show you a quick tip today on how to fix those pesky prompt names that show up in lowercase when you specified them to be uppercase. Okay, it's an annoying thing, and I know for people that are old school like me, it's like you try and add a prompt and it shows up lowercase and it just kind of makes you feel like you didn't define the name. So here's how to fix it. So I added a prompt here. It's called Joe's prompt. All right, and you can see right now there's no defined name. Okay, now before I do that, I'm going to assume that this is a more inflated product. You know, this is just a starter product for now. So I'm just going to go Joe's prompt right here. Okay, now that gives me a name error right now because it is in fact not defined over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is right click and define it. Okay, so now it was added and you can see there is that ugly lowercase prompt. Okay, now here's why that happens. That happens because typically there's the prompt in some formula in another place in that workbook. And as soon as you add this prompt in here, it gets added to the global variable inside this workbook. Okay, so Excel is already trying to find that prompt, or the property, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so the way to fix that, and this might not be possible all the time, and what I typically do is I'll go through all the formulas and I'll just change the name, you know, just add some garbage after it. You know, you can do that with a simple find and replace. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to take it out completely. Okay, so now that property or the prompt no longer exists inside the global space. Okay, so now I still have this defined name here, so what I'm going to do is go out to Workbook Designer, and we're going to click this local. We're going to say the name manager, and there's my prompt. I'm going to delete it, or define the range, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now you can see that is gone. I'm going to exit out of here. Okay, now I'm going to redefine it, and as I do that, there you go. Okay, uppercase again, everything looks beautiful, and now you can add it back to the global space just like that, and that works. And that's how you fix it. So hopefully I save somebody a headache. Let me know.